Hello and welcome back to Primal Living's YouTube channel. My name is Hannah. I am one of the Primal Gourmet authors, and in today's recipe video I'm going to be showing you guys at home how to make your own mushroom and sausage breakfast bake. This dish is perfect for the weekend, or if you fancy, make it in advance and you can enjoy it through the week. High in protein, high in fibre, low in carbs, and packed full of delicious breakfast flavourings. Oh, and it's super easy to make too, so let me show you how. Begin by preheating your oven to 200 Celsius and crack 4 large eggs into a mixing bowl. Add 60 grams of pesto, organic if you can, 55 grams of Parmesan cheese, and 125 millilitres of vegetable stock, and whisk everything together. Season with black pepper before adding 145 grams of sliced mushrooms, and once again mix everything together. Once done, grab yourself a 9x3 baking dish and add your sausage meat already cooked from roughly 6 organic sausages. You'll then want to pour your egg mixture evenly over the sausage meat. I like to just make sure all the mushrooms are just covering absolutely everything, and then top with 4 teaspoons worth of pine nuts. Once done, place your dish into the oven and leave to cook for 25 minutes. And voila! If you like this recipe, then you'll also love our goat's cheese and pine nut stuffed mushrooms too, so be sure to check that out. And to finish things off, I like to garnish with some fresh basil and serve whilst warm. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Enjoy!